안녕, hello, welcome back to K-Lesson, Learning Korean Simply. You think you can't distinguish 은는 and 이가. Actually, you unconsciously distinguish them with articles. Let's see how. Chapter 1. First of all, you need to understand what you're saying. Let's see an example. There is a house. The house is white. The first article, a, is indefinite and the second is definite. Why? Because the house in the first sentence is new information, while that in the second sentence is old information, referring to the first sentence. You unconsciously use articles, not randomly but selectively. In Korean, you can use particles instead of articles. 저기에 집이 있어. For new information, use 이가. 그 집은 흰색이야. For old information, use 은는. Let's see another example. There is an envelope here. Is this your envelope? 여기에 봉투가 있어. 이 봉투는 너 거야? The first envelope is new information since there is an indefinite article. 봉투가 여기에 있어. The particle should be 이가. And in the second sentence, the envelope is now old information. 이 봉투는 너 거야? The particle should be 은는. Do you understand? Chapter 2. 은는 expresses the difference. There are many female students in the library, but I am a male student. 도서관에 여학생들이 많아요. 근데 저는 남학생이에요. In the first sentence, I used 이가 because this sentence simply describes something. But in the second sentence, I used 은는 because I'm expressing a difference, saying that I'm different. I'm a male student and not a female student like the others. Let's see another example. I like K-drama. 저는 한국 드라마를 좋아해요. 저는 한국 드라마는 좋아해요. In the first sentence, there is the particle 을를 to indicate the object. Instead, there is the particle 은는 in the second sentence. The first sentence purely describes that I like K-drama, but in the second sentence, there is a reason why I like K-dramas. The particle 는 indicates that K-dramas are different from something else. I might not like other things. Maybe I don't like Korean movies, but I like K-dramas. By the way, 이가 can only be attached to the subject, unlike 은는. Chapter 3. The particle 이가 emphasizes the subject. 제가 지수예요. 저는 지수예요. All the sentences say I am 지수. The particle 가 emphasizes the subject, which is 제. The nuance of this sentence is like, I'm the person named 지수. It is most likely the answer to the question, who is 지수? 제가 지수예요. I am the person named 지수. While the particle 은는 is used to describe something about the subject. That is the topic, that my name is 지수. The second sentence is probably the answer to the question, what's your name? Or used for self-introduction. Do you feel the difference? The particle 은는 is called the topic marker and the particle 이가 is called subject marker. But it doesn't matter what they are called. What is important is to understand the nuance. Let's see another example. Here is my favorite pizza example again. Does Jenny eat pizza? Yes, Jenny eats pizza. 제니는 피자를 먹어요? 네, 제니는 피자 먹어요. Both sentences are asking or saying if Jenny eats pizza. But if you change 은는 to 이가, how will the nuance change? 제니가 피자를 먹어요? Is Jenny the person who eats pizza? 네, 제니가 피자를 먹어요. Yes, Jenny is the person who eats pizza. You can also respond with 은는. 네, 제니는 피자를 먹어요. This sentence simply states just the fact that she eats pizza without emphasizing the subject. Another example. 지수는 피자를 안 먹었어요. 제니가 먹었어요. These sentences mean 지수 didn't eat pizza or 지수 didn't eat pizza unlike other people. Jenny is a person compared to someone else who ate pizza. The particle 은는 describes the topic or expresses the difference. The particle 이가 emphasizes the subject. You can also use both 이가 particles. 지수가 피자를 안 먹었어요. 제니가 먹었어요. The nuance is like this. 지수 is not the person who ate pizza. Jenny is the person who ate pizza. Here is last chapter. 은는 demonstrates a contrast. 저는 한국 사람이에요. 하지만 제 친구는 이탈리아 사람이에요. I am Korean, but my friend is Italian. There is a contrast between me and my friend. 이 티는 빨간색이고 저 티는 파란색이에요. This t-shirt is red and that t-shirt is blue. There is a contrast between the two t-shirts. Let's try changing the first particle to 이가. 제가 한국 사람이에요. 제 친구는 이탈리아 사람이에요. Someone may be confused if my friend is Korean or may have asked which one of us is Korean. So 가 is used to emphasize that I'm the person who is Korean. Instead, the particle 는 can express that he is different because he is Italian, not Korean like me. Or it can purely describe that he is Italian. And that's it. 이 t가 빨간색이고 저 t는 파란색이에요. There is 이가 particle in the first part of the sentence. It seems someone asked which t-shirt is red. And in the second part, there is a 은는 particle, so the speaker wants to express that the t-shirt is different because the color is different. Or the speaker wants to purely state that the t-shirt is blue. Sometimes you have to choose one of two particles. Sometimes both are fine. Just you shouldn't always interpret these particles in the same way. It depends on what you want to convey. It's a rather subjective topic. The important thing is to gain experience. I left the exercise in the description. If you have any questions or doubts, leave them in the comments or send me an email. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. 또 봐요.